All right, here is the Magic Mouse made by Apple. I'm going to be unboxing this right here. Comes in a nice case. And I got the black one as opposed to the white one that people normally get. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go ahead and open this up with my butter knife right here. Of course, Apple makes it really easy to get into. Just going to go ahead and take this and pull the wrapper back like that. Place that to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and just tap this out right here. Like so. So it's a nice sturdy case. I'm sure I can use this for, I don't know, putting something into the box, I guess. And here is the mouse itself. Nice, sleek, low profile. Inside, let's see if any more goodies. There is a charger that comes with it. So is a Lightning to USB-C cable for charging the mouse outright. I'm going to go ahead and look at this. So here's the mouse. I don't know if you can hear the click, but it clicks quite nicely. And here is the charger, which goes into USB-C, and it connects at the bottom through Lightning at the bottom. And then this part is for the USB-C. You plug this into the USB-C, and you have the mouse. You have the laser sensor at the bottom, and some sort of, I'm not exactly sure what this is. I think it's the on-off switch to save power. It slides relatively easily without it. I'm going to go ahead and unplug this. Looks like a mouse with a tail. I'm going to plug this in like that. Looks like a mouse on the run. You guys don't know funny. But this is the Magic Mouse by Apple. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.